Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to back up Ionos website. The first thing I want you to do is log into your Ionos dashboard, and if you come here at the top and you click on menu, you click on websites and shops, and then you'll see all your different websites. So right here, let's click on more details for this website. And if I click on the backup section here, as you can see, mine is actually backed up automatically. And the way to set this up just like this, what you do, you just come here to menu, you click on add product, okay? And then what I need you to choose is right here. You scroll down and you choose at least manage WordPress, because if you use manage WordPress, this one automatically, gives you daily security scans and backups. What you could also do is get hosting, right? So if you get the hosting plan right here, you click on hosting and you can buy storage to host, right? So you click on create another contract and you choose the one that is applicable to you. Now we'll continue with this process since I already have hosting. I'll show you how to connect the domain. So as you can see, there's no domain connected for the web space, and I have this much storage. So I'll click here on add a domain. Okay, right here, we'll go ahead and choose the domain that I have for my website. So right here, we can see to show a list of domains that I already have. So we have this one, for example. So we can select from there. We can connect to this web space. Okay, there we go. So this is right here, all my files. You can go ahead and save this, and that would automatically start backing up. So this domain has been connected to the web space as well. So it will start backing up as well. Okay, and that is how to back up Ionos website.